Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the MSEBent AirTag tracker for the Apple. So I'm going to unbox this and show what's inside. So it's the 4-pack AirTag. So let me open this. So inside. So here is a little kind of a seal. Open the seal. And then slide in. Okay, so here is the manual. Here is the another manual. This is the quick starting guide. So it's detectable under the Find My, and I will show you how to pair it. So inside the box, this is just a sticker, and inside the box you have 4 AirTags, 2 black, 2 white, and also with the keychain. So I am going to pair one. So let's pick up this black one. So remove this and you will hear sound. So it will connect the battery when you remove this, and then from your iPhone go back to menu, you click on Find My, go to Find My app, and from the Find My app click on My Items, and then click on plus icon right here, and then click on your tag. Now don't click on your tag, click on order item, because this is not the official AirTag, so you will need to click on order item, and then it will start searching. So yeah, so now you can see it detected a AirTag, so you can do connect and give it a name. So I will give this as my key, my office key, and then I can set any icon, and then click on continue, agree the terms, and done, finish. So now it's connected. So you can see that I can see the location over here, I can do a direction, I can share this with my family or friends, and I can play the sound when I want, like this. So let's say your key is lost and you need to find it, then just come to Find My iPhone, select your specific key, and then play sound like this. So pretty nice, amazing. So additionally we have the we have